ezi zija kutandika ebirabiro na kimwe kwa mushanju omwaka ogu mu district ya Masindi zeyongereho mu district ya Kiryandongo zibone kuza omu byanga ebindi ebiri omu bukama bwa Bunyoro. Ekikopo nkija kugabwa ebirabiro na bibiri okwa mwenda omwaka ogu kandi omuhanguzi nija kutunga miliyoni 2 z'omu sente za Uganda ekikopo hamwe n'ebirabo ebindi. Muntiti Nyendyoha uri omuhwezi w'enganzi ya Bunyoro yasiima abo boona ababateire mu sente.
Kabumba ali hangoma Tokino kugonza tukutongoza empaka za magari hamu ni mpira y'enganda kusaba inywe n'abali munyeteranizo kusime MTN na amani muno kabo usaki kiruni abokamu wa Bunyoro usaki kamne mizano emigaso nyingi eri imizano
atuya higabembezi b'eby'obuhangwa omukyanga eki okukora ekiri kubasika kyona kurebeka ngu batungure eby'emizano mu byanga byabo.
Saba aba sports officer ba Bunyoro abo sports officer wa Sitani kibarekiri muno timanyira bwaki but aba sports officer ba Bunyoro bona bakoirwani habo kuba omulimo gutugenda kukora gwabu tukubakwatiraho n'ekyo tubakwatiraho nabanye kubasaba aba sports officer ba Bunyoro koze muramu tali hano kunira mukumpura inywena mu rugeyo musembe events zinu amagari na empira y'engande.
John Paul Kwi omwe habebembezi abebitongore biteire mu sente mpakezi yasima obukama bwa Bunyoro abokumara babatamu obwesije abokuba bose ne bakoregana nabo mikoro etari emwe n'emwe oteireho n'empango ya Bunyoro.
These games, the bicycle races and the football between the counties, and I'd like to thank each and every county that is participating. The 15 counties, we are excited and happy to be a part of this. We are excited that the tournament will start on the 21st of next month, and like Alex mentioned, the registration is happening, and as MTN we aim to acknowledge and celebrate this partnership with Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom as a way of uplifting the economy in this kingdom, uplifting socio-economic values, the kind that are associated with this noble kingdom.
Muringo ngogume Dr. Joseph Ryonga uri munyeshengera wa Hoima West City Division amwera Sylvia Naramaga uri muhezi wa meya w'ururembo rwa Hoima bahiga minyeto okwejumbiro mu mpakezi.
Takers, and they are very good at problem solving. They don't give up. Baito mwana wokulizo mu na ikalya na genda asomotane kyakora no bafuna degree atanogenda kusaba omulimu ndagenda yonde. They don't test batina. They are always there. Baito omuntu who has been having some sports activities, egaari, samba kapira, all those things, but are risk takers and very good problem solvers. Twine ekizibu tuli musite mu constituency bantu bagamba exercise oyina agenda mu gym.
Ibyo bikiri aho bamuminyeto eri kuza kwetaba mu mpakezi bayoreka amatsiko menshi agabere no mu mpaka nizo zumwe.
I'm a bicycle racer. I started last year, starting in Chikube, coming here at the kingdom level. I also participated, but it was not somehow which it was easy as I was just starting. But I think this time I will perform it better than last year.
Ntwayira mukoro go kuronchinga team zenganda mu Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom kandi tuzimuna ba MTN hamuna ba organizers ba Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom habukururango omukoro guno baguteka harure ngo rwa haiguru muno kandi ntongera kusima ruhanga bwe kiro kintu kandi nyowe
semeize muno abokuba MTN hamwe na Bunyoro Kingdom barugireyo batusagika okusambe mpira yenganda itenga abaseke twetekanize muno kandi etimu yaitero abana kuruga buhaguzi abana kuruga musite muno twetekanize kandi tujja kwehandika na Bunyoro Kingdom uko tusobole participating mwegemiza
gunwa murundo gwa kabiri ukama bwa Bunyoro nubutahe Empaka Z'okuvuga ubugari kandi umurundo gwabandize gukabaho mwako gwere
ago ngo nankwinire umbyemizano kandi twashika umukashonshoroke akecha kuzo hamwe